Hi, my name is Dr. Richard Arabit. Today I'm going to talk about the new lasers that we have, that we offer our patients, and what you can get out of each one of them. First laser I want to talk about is the IPL machine. It allows me to treat patients for vascular lesions around the nose and the face that can give away your age. Also, sunspots that are pigmentation changes as you get older, or even young people who have superficial moles that they want off without cutting them off. They can actually be carefully IPL'd off with leaving very little to no scarring. This IPL machine also comes with another distinct feature. It helps acne patients. I have a lot of adolescent patients or even older folks that go through a second phase of acne as their hormones change. One a week usually will decrease the bacterial count and reduce the acne significantly to almost relieve the entire thing without having to go on antibiotics. The laser is very effective at treating active acne in order to get it controlled before it becomes a permanent scar. The other laser that we got is a new hair reduction laser. It does a larger spot size with a cooling tip. The treatment is very painless and extremely effective at getting at almost all skin types. The old lasers were much more detrimental to darker skin types. Now with this new laser, we can treat active hair growth over several weeks. It's very important that you realize that every patient's different and every hair growth is different. A lot of treatments for the bikini line, the underarm, even facial hair on men if you don't want to shave as much. Any area around the lips that women get the small hair follicles, it can be done painlessly with the cooling tip, or if you want, we have the ability to either sedate you or numb the area locally, where other offices usually don't offer that. That way, if you do a bikini line, we actually can numb up the area with local anesthetic. That way you have a painless treatment. One of the other lasers that we have got in plastic surgery of Central Florida is the new erbium laser. It's a resurfacing laser. It's very safe on most skin types. Deal with fine wrinkles or do a much more aggressive laser with it, depending on the patient's needs and requirements. If they do need deeper wrinkle treatments, we also supplement it with injections of fillers or Botox and or surgery. So it's a nice combination to treat someone's aging face or even the aging hands and neck area that women and men both dislike. So from the erbium laser that I use mostly for the face and neck area, the CO2 laser, I use it now specifically for the vaginal rejuvenation area, which is very safe because you don't worry about any kind of pigmentation changes in that area. You just want to tighten the vagina so that they have better sexual pleasure. And you also want to use this laser. It's automated for hand and forearm usage. Both are painless surgeries. You drive yourself to and from the appointment. The procedure takes about 15-20 minutes. It's very, very well tolerated by several patients we've already done it on with very good success rates. In fact, some patients like it so much that they actually want to come back every 2 to 3 months just to get a little touch-up resurfacing done, just because they like how it tightened up all the little wrinkles on their forearms and their hands. The last laser I want to talk to you about is the tattoo removal laser. Everyone's getting tattoos now. It's more of a fad than ever before. Sometimes they want to remove for errors that were made or broken relationships or what have you. Depending on the ink type, we can almost get every color out safely. I also offer an anesthetic, which is a local infiltration, which blows away any topical cream that they can put on. Other facilities offer just topical creams. Those don't work. Here, you can actually numb up the skin and then do an aggressive tattoo removal laser on you, that way having better effective results and basically in a painless environment. Now that I've discussed the lasers, I just want to show you how easy it is and how painless it is to have a treatment done outpatient. You can drive yourself to and from the appointment. The results are very nice. I'm going to do a CO2 resurfacing just on my hands. Several treatments or even one treatment will do an amazing result. So I just put my hand in there, very little pain. It just resurfaced my hand. You see the little dots. Every one of those matrix is CO2 resurfacing. It actually will blend. By this afternoon, you won't see any changes at all with the skin, and it'll be tightened, and the wrinkle improvement will be diminished significantly. Anybody that's a really good candidate or has questions about it and thinks that they may do well with one of these lasers, you can come in and schedule, and then we can set up an appointment to start your treatments.